Oh, there's like one bar of the battery.
Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. We'll try. And thank you for your help. Do you want me to take that packaging in for the camcorder? Or are you just gonna carry it? I figured I'd put the camcorder.
Oh, it's
Okay. What is that?
It's like, what
It's like, why is everyone watching?
are you doing?
He's not swishing.
He's gonna attack you so bad, Jessica.
Keep doing it. I
go
want to see like,
straight towards
he's
your
getting
head.
mad. You can
It
see.
does
Biasing
Look the eye.
our sample over here.
The eye was getting red. So,
And she was too worried. Yeah, it's like that paper that we saw. Like, he didn't really do anything unless it was visual. Right? Yeah.
Scared of us.
Robin's like, what are you
I know.
He does seem to be the king of the.
Yep.
We're good for now. Go help. And so you guys sound like you're going to be down there for a while. With 120 pieces of bamboo.
Not for death.
Guys,
I'm sure I can level before.
we'll be down. We're going to check out the wood pile and then head over. Devin's good at that. The smaller birds.
That little robin is like going, like, great. Is he reacting to the
Yeah, I think he's kind of
scared?
yeah.
Mott does not.
I can take him.
Yeah. So I haven't heard the robin.
Oh my gosh.
Like vocalize.
Forest Falcon.
Not too worried. Still eating.
Yeah, but the
Some of
robin.
these little birds back here making their alarm calls.
Are they? And then yeah, the robin thing.
Yeah, so it might be interesting to see what they find. And maybe if the mama were, 10 meters from cover, he might be more reactive.
I think it's gonna be kind of quick. We're gonna need, I don't know, we need to measure to have it.
Thanks for playing.
Oh yeah.
So we can cut it here. The other one has to be
Oh, did I give one to you?
45 and 55.
Thank you.
Or 50. We short.
I think with this would be $10. I hope it's
Well, it's all something.
I think it's $7 if you put OTS. Check OTS. That's what somebody was telling me.
Oh, really?
Really?
Don't ask them the price, just check.
But this is like
Tiny. Yeah, I'm gonna roll stuff up and cram this.
yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
And this is a goodie.
So tomorrow, are we gonna be hiking?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so I can wear shorts and go just in case if it's not ready by.
Yeah. We might be around, or you guys might be around the garden.
Okay.
If there's extra of this, you have to
I know.
Oh, that was something else.
Was it just because you guys ran out of water?
I think part of it was the shoes I was wearing.
Yesterday?
Yeah. And then the pace.
On the way back.
Especially on the way back, it was really fast.
Okay.
Because I've done hikes before that were like 7-8 hours in Colorado, but we would stop every now and then.
That's true, yeah.
Take more rest.
your house.
Yeah, yeah, Colorado's super dry.
I just have to use the bathroom, but I don't know how to use the bathroom. Like,
Oh, you
like
never.
I feel like I had to take off everything, like the boots and all.
Really?
I didn't try it. That's why I didn't go.
Don't you pee in the woods in Hawaii?
No, I have, but not. I don't know. I just felt like I have to take the boots off and everything.
No.
No, you don't have to.
Just kind of aim in like a soft, bushy area so it won't like splash up all over you. You learn these things over time.
Yeah.
Here for a sec. They're making an offer. Very sweet. But I want to show you the bamboo. So, they're going to go look at bamboo, but ones that are like this high, or this high. But yeah, and then maybe we can cut on like that so it's right at the end. Yeah, like this high. Yeah, exactly.
The track, the ball, stuff like that.
And then Katie was just telling me that over by the other gate, that's the section, or anyway, there's the wood pile,
Yeah,
where we
there's
can maybe get like
containers.
just a type piece of like old 2x4s, or not, flat little plywood, and then put that on top.
And just nail it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be 600 there. So even if it's inside,
He's guaranteeing. Yeah. Of course, now then we'll have a whole new study. Agoutis can gel.
hopefully you fail that.
Cool.
So then you nail and even stuff gonna move on. Like, no, that's still gonna be like,
No, it'll just make you sick if you're like So actually, I mean, if you guys want, you guys can all go down and look at it. And they can go help you guys can help. And then yeah, we only have moral support. Yeah. I like you, crazy bird people. Jesse and I can tell you that we like Dennis. Oh, really?
so what time you can go?
Maybe we could swing by and look. Well, even if they don't have the wood there, we can maybe buy those pieces at a hardware store. I don't think it's very expensive. Never. Okay, it's the rechargeable.
Oh,
So we
okay.
just took them off the.
I wish I could like have the mott
Might be painful.
My arm gets scratched.
So, this afternoon, if it rains or later this evening, you can download this video and kind of see, what you
Slow it down.
Yeah.
Is that waterproof? No.
I don't think so. So that's one of the hard parts. But, to be honest, if you are doing these observations, it's easier for you to be if it's sunny, and also it's better to try and say we tried to do it in all the same kind of weather, because you may get different results in a rainy weather. Now, if it ends up raining for weeks, we may have to do it all in rain. But if we can get away with you guys taking observations in the morning, and you can kind of say all the observations were taken between 6 a.m. and 11 a.m. on relatively sunny conditions. Yeah. So that's kind of trying to control the time of day a little bit is actually going to help you guys in terms of, because there may be different patterns through the day, right? What happens during the morning might be slightly different than during the day.
Will they make us pack breakfast every day?
They will if you want.
Yeah, I would be down to do that. I'd pack breakfast.
Yeah. If we're gonna be gone from during breakfast.
Yeah, and you guys might want to, because the weather this morning at 5:36 was actually pretty nice.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
We don't want to lose any time in the morning while we have it.
And so you can, put in the order the night before, is what I was told, or maybe lunch before.
Yeah, lunch before.
Would we have to do that every day, or could we just be
You could
for
maybe
the
do a
next
standing.
3
Yeah.
weeks or something?
Yep, we could probably do that. That'll work. So, but yeah, if you guys want to go, since you have some helpers. Yeah.
Can we go help?
Yeah, I think go. So how many platforms are you guys thinking you want to do? What? I mean, this is a good one, but we discovered today that people, it's kind of hard to
Yeah, I was
control.
talking with Brittany and saying we might not want to use this one at all.
Yeah, because
it's going to be so different from all the other ones.
Yeah, this is a good one to learn, and so what sounds reasonable to you guys in terms of you're the principal investigators now?
How many habitat types are you comparing habitat types? Or just I mean, isn't that yes?
You can, and it just depends on what your question is, really.
The species composition might be different in different habitats.
The dominance relationships might change.
How many different habitats are there? Just around 3, 4. I don't even know.
Well, there's the garden habitat, and then kind of as we walked yesterday, we kind of hit secondary growth forest.
And primary is not that far if you went the way we came back yesterday. Not that far, but there's a little bit of primary.
Jesse?
I think
We're gonna head out now.
Beautiful. Oh, okay, so let's send you guys. Part of it is to just see how many you can get. So if you can get 10 big ones, let's start with that. If you can get 3, let's start with that. If you, I think 10 is enough for us to start working with. And then we can kind of 10, well, we're thinking those, they're going to cut bamboo. So if I don't know how many of those big thick ones there are out there.
Oh, okay.
And how long it takes to cut. You might take an hour to cut one.
But you need 4 per platform.
Oh no, we're thinking one.
One. Oh.
Really? One, if it's a good thick one,
that's
and you
true.
cut it and you stick it, and then if we put a lighter thing
Or at
wood.
the most 2 if one doesn't work.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we could try. That's why cut a few, and we can then try test them out.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying. The mop might be the only one who makes it shaky, but as long as that's where Angela was like, look how sturdy this is.
All right, you guys better go.
Go while you have some volunteers. So let's stop. Is this recording still or stop?
Recording.
Oh, it's still recording.
So how do we stop it?
The
Red button, I'm guessing.
Okay.